Our Mr. G.V. Krishna sir is also here, and as Kurram sir said, Samhita group of schools. Samhita. Okay, Samhita group of schools. TV Tower, Malakpet. And he has also seen the children performing here, and I would request him to share some of his experiences and tell something about this course. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. I'm extremely I'm very happy to see that such activities are going on here in Dance School. Dance School is a doing many experimental activities. I'm extremely excited because this is related to the brain power. The modern time, the 21st century and later centuries are dependent more on the brain work. Now we are concentrating on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but a kind of brain work associated with the letters and numbers. So this particular exercising that is being conducted here will be going a great way in training our young brains for the future. Presently, the intensity of work that we are doing on various kind of neurons, neural work, is now being translated into the academics. So this program suggests to me that our children, if trained properly, probably they'll be able to improve their brain work, and that will simplify their learning skills and learning time. And that way, I advise most children take advice from this particular organization and take coaching. I quote here a kind of quotation from Aurobindo, who was asked when he suggested that there is something called a new kind of evolution going on in the human brain. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution you all know very well, particularly 9th and 10th class children know it very well. This evolutionary theory suggested more particularly on the body parts and internal parts of it. But then they asked the question to Aurobindo, how the evolutionary process has stopped then with the evolution of the human creature, human mind, human body. Then Aurobindo suggested no, the evolution has not stopped. The evolution has taken its direction more on the brain and more particularly on the neurons. The neuron power is being exploited now in the form of artificial intelligence, which is being now exploited all over the world in terms of science and technology, including computers, including the man going to the moon now from the Indian atmosphere. Okay, that way we feel that this kind of training on your nervous system, particularly on the mid part of the brain, we know something about the activities of the encephalite, diencephalite, and the right brain and right left side of the brain. Now we are now considering the midbrain, where the neurons will be stimulated. And what kind of things are stimulating? Is it the smell? Is it the sight? Is it the face shape or anything like that? So all this being coordinated. Normally we associate the eye rod cells, cone cells with color. We associate the rod cells and cone cells with the shapes and all those things. So all this being integrated. This particular exercise you have undergone is a wonderful exercise. I personally advise your parents to think of this activity and participate in a longer course and take the training of it. You will be losing nothing. You will be gaining some substantial thing in your brain power, which is required for the future generations of our communities. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Krishna sir. Very much thankful to you for explaining about this course.